Hello everyone, I'm Robert, that guy you met today. If we haven't met, go ahead and scroll through my YouTube videos and let's get to know each other. We are not in Kansas anymore, YouTube. I'm coming to you today from Boracay, and we ran into a parade. So, like I said, we're in Boracay, and on that note, let's go ahead and do it. We're here at D-Mall. Immediately, we noticed that there's a lot more people than where we are over in where I believe Aqua is a Station 1, but there's not a lot going on over there. That's a very chill spot. Over here, and let's walk this way. Over here appears to be kind of a 50-50 of like quick service dining and food. It looks like they're kind of just getting going. This is kind of nice that they've got a good bit of vegetation, so there's a lot of shade as you're walking. And then where we're about to walk up to over here is almost dark from vegetation. Such a vibe here, YouTube. Such a vibe. Restaurant, bar. Or actually it might just be a bar. Look at this, YouTube. There's a ride. Like a carnival ride.
Ferris wheel.
Well, oh no, it looks like it's open. Like it works. It's just closed at the moment. There's no way in hell. Nope. There's Mexican food. It's like, why is it, wifey, that you can find Mexican food everywhere in the world? Like, and that's wifey's happy place. YouTube. I'm in love, YouTube. It looks like down there's some shopping. We've got some souvenirs to bring back home. So this looks like the place to grab all your souvenirs. It's also my understanding that this area stays open a lot later than some of the other areas. It looks like near our hotel, everything shuts down around 10 p.m. This stays open until around midnight. So this is probably the nightlife spot.
Welcome back.
Oh, it's like,
Welcome back.
oh, no,
Welcome
thank
back.
you. Down there, we can see the ocean again.
Let's go find the ocean. Ooh. Yeah, acai bowls.
Little smoothie bowl action. What I saw online, I think this is the area I saw online. It's busier, but it's not like crazy. I think it's just that the beach isn't very wide, so it kind of forces people to crowd in a little bit, but I feel like over the area where we are is probably the place to be, honestly. It's been a very, very long time. We kind of just chilled out over there at Epic for a while. Rachel and Will joined us, so we just chilled out for a bit. It rained for a minute, and it was very clear that it wasn't gonna rain for very long when it started because the sun was like out. There's just so many options. Like there's just so much, they've packed so much into a relatively small area that I could see it being a little overwhelming. Like, I mean, there's barbecue. I bet they've got some liempo in there. And this is actually one of the hotels that I looked at, but it was hard. Again, it was very hard to figure out like where exactly this was and what the environment was. This actually would have been a pretty nice place to stay. They're utilizing every little side street for something, either a shop or a restaurant. Look, check this out. Like, this is a little Greek restaurant. Just a few seats in there, but a pretty extensive menu. Look at how many things there are. And then, Wakaria Crab Pasta House. Wow. We just ate. We just ate. It smells delicious. The variety here really is impressive. So many different options. It doesn't really matter what you're in the mood for, you're gonna find something in here. The way everything is so crammed in here, I'm really curious what it looks like from above, because there are some hotel entrances kind of stuffed into here, but I'm like, where's the rest of the hotel? But obviously I can't, because you have to have a drone permit to fly a drone, and conveniently you can't actually get one. All right, and just like that, we're back kind of at this main street where we started. So we're gonna take the e-trike back to our resort, chill out a little bit. I think we'll just stop this one here, and then we'll start a new video this evening. If you like what you saw today, please consider subscribing and then click that little bell so you stay on top of this entire Philippine series. We've still got a little ways to go, and I'm so excited to share it all with you. We'll see you next time. Peace.